diesem Kanal. Mein Name ist Luise, ich bin 15 Jahre alt, hier in Kanada. Und im heutigen Video werde ich mit meiner Freundin Rose kochen, also bleibt unbedingt dran und gleich geht's los. I'm here with Rose.
Hi.
And we're cooking today together Asian noodles. Yeah, Rose already cut the vegetables. And yeah, then I'll be making at the same time scones because I had a scones mix. And yeah, let's see how they turn out. Here I have the noodles. Since we didn't find them just as noodles, we bought them in these already instant noodle packages, and you need 250 grams for this. And yeah, now I will cook them. I'm now cooking the noodles, and yeah, let's see how it turns out. I now drained the noodles. Here's Rose, and she tries one of the scones. Does it taste good? Okay, sure. I try one too, and it's okay. It tastes like nothing. Yeah, but we added the 2 tablespoons oil, and now we add the garlic and the spring onions. We added now the mushrooms and carrots, and now you will let them in the pan a few more minutes, and then you add the noodles. Yeah, here we have the finished noodles. We just added the noodles, and then we added a little bit teriyaki sauce, salt, pepper, soya sauce. You can just add the sauces like you want and taste it, and yeah, now we finished. Now we can do the taste test. Yeah, and here are our scones. Right, okay, see you soon. We're now having the taste test. Yeah, I'm excited.
So exciting.
So exciting. Okay.
It's not bad.
But it's also not good.
But it's okay.
From 1 to 10.
1 to 10? How about 1 to 5? I would say 1 to 5. 3.8.
Okay, I think I would give it a 4. 3 to 4. Yeah. It's okay.
It's okay, yeah. At least it's like 4.
Yeah. So, good job.
No. Good job.
Yeah. Okay, thank you for watching the video, and see you next time. Das war's jetzt mit dem Video. Ich hoffe, es hat euch gefallen, und damit ihr keine weiteren Videos verpasst, vergesst nicht, den Kanal zu abonnieren. Bye!